What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to today's video. We're going to be going over these Votatu V2 fiber optic flip-up iron sights. I probably mentioned that wrong, but yeah, these are pretty cheap. I got them for like 25 bucks. I had some criteria I wanted for my flip-up iron sights. Did want them to be spring-assisted, where they automatically flipped up, which these ones are. And then, as you see here, you get two Allen wrenches in the box with them to adjust them. You can see their logo right there on the front. It'd be cool if you can get some all black ones, but not that big of a deal. As you see, push the button, opens it up. A little bit easier when it's on the pick rail. And then you see the Allen wrench spot there on the side to clamp them down to the pick rail. There is this spinnable turret to adjust the height on the front one, and as you can see, there is a pretty audible sound when you adjust it. That's one thing I was worried about, that it's just going to be like a free-flowing wheel. But yeah, pretty solid. Like that there's an audible click for the turret to adjust the height. You're going to go ahead and get the rear sight out of this bag. This one, same thing, push the button, flips it up. Which I'll put a clip in at the end so you can see it. On the rear one, you can adjust it right to left. Right there's a knob showing you which way to turn it to kind of dial it in. And then there is a smaller, more precise option, and then you have your bigger one, and then front and rear are both fiber optic, as I mentioned before. And then you got your Allen wrench slot to clamp it down to the pick rail. I'll go ahead and insert a clip of them mounted to my AR9. If you guys have any questions, definitely drop them down below in the comments section. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you guys could smash that like button, it really helps out the channel. I will be doing a later update on these once I get some time with them. So if you guys want to watch that, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.